How to be a content strategist. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll explore how you can become a successful content strategist. Ready to master content planning and strategy? Let's get started. Content strategy is the backbone of successful digital marketing. But what is a content strategist? A content strategist is someone who plans, creates, and manages content to meet business goals. This involves understanding your audience, aligning content with marketing objectives, and using data to refine strategies. For instance, if a fitness brand wants to increase online sales, a content strategist would design workout guides, blogs, and social media campaigns targeting fitness enthusiasts. Take note of these key steps to become a content strategist. Step 1. Understand your audience. Start by creating buyer personas. Understand your audience's needs, pain points, and preferences. For example, if you're targeting tech enthusiasts, research what they read, watch, or search for, like top smartphones of 2024. Step 2. Learn content strategy fundamentals. Master key areas like SEO, content marketing, and analytics. Free resources like HubSpot Academy and Google Skillshop are great for beginners. Step 3. Develop a content plan. Plan what type of content to create, how often to post, and where to publish. Use tools like Trello for planning. Step 4. Use analytics to improve. Track your content's performance with tools like Google Analytics. Use data to refine your strategy. Here are some must-have tools for content strategists: Google Analytics, for tracking website traffic. Canva, for creating stunning visuals. SEMrush, for SEO and keyword research. Trello, for content planning and collaboration. And there you have it, your roadmap to becoming a content strategist. Remember, practice makes perfect, so start small and keep learning. Like, share, and subscribe for more actionable tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below.